So these are my earnings from these websites in the last week. So I have chosen 2 or 3 to work with, but you can choose for yourself which one suits you the most. So check these out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go and get that money. Firstly, a lot of satisfied people are here and they all get a lot of money. Of course, these work all over the world. So if you live in America, Europe, Asia, Africa, wherever you live, you can get that money. First website is called Revcom. Rev is excellent, guys. You can see Revcom on Trustpilot, 6,000 of these reviews, and they've got 4.4 out of 5, which is amazing. Just take a look at these comments, guys. Comments are really where it shows itself, guys. People are actually satisfied and they always get these good comments. A lot of money can be made here, so let's go and do it. When you come on Rev.com, you can just scroll all the way down to the bottom of the web page and you can see this button. This Become a Freelancer button is what you need to click on, and then here you can apply for earning money transcribing. So you will just use your keyboard. And just imagine the following scenario. You just tap on your keyboard whole day or as much hours as you want to, and you get loads of money, guys. That is exactly what Rev allows you to do. You will get paid weekly, as you can see via PayPal, and you can see here that range of pay on this website is from $0.30 to $1.10 per audio video minute. Now, that's a lot of money, guys. So let's say that the average is $0.8. Let's say it like that. And you transcribe for 60 minutes today, guys. That's $48 for you. So that's $50 in 1 hour. And if you do that for, I don't know, 3 hours per day, that's $140. $140, guys. That's a good amount, and it's very easy to get it here, guys. You will just listen to audio and video. You will accurately type what is being said, and you will label the speakers. So, for example, if a man is speaking, you just put the man. You just use your keyboard, guys. It is nothing complicated on this website. You can start making money very easily, guys. You will just apply here, and just take a look at this, guys. If you know a foreign language, you can do it in your own language. If you are, for example, from India, from Nigeria, and just take a look at these rates, $1.5 to $3 per audio video minute. Now, that's a hell of a lot more money than if you choose English. Just take a look at this. If we click here on Learn More, guys, you will have these translate subtitles, and just take a look at these average earnings per month, but you don't have to worry about that. Just take a look at this minimum pay rate per minute, and these are deferred by these languages, okay? So if you know Hindi, $1.70, guys. If you know German, 3.5. Portuguese, 2.5, and a lot of these others, guys. And just take a look at this, 1.7 times 60 minutes, that's $100 per hour, guys. Now that's a lot of money for just using your keyboard in your own language. So if your language is on this list, you can do it, guys. You can do it very easily, and you can get a lot of money by just choosing this, okay? You can decide what you want to work on, so you will have a lot of these interviews, lectures, podcasts. A lot of work is on this website, and of course get paid weekly. A lot of money you can get, so go and choose Rev because there's a lot of money into it. Of course, hit that subscribe button so we can put you in some more money making opportunities. Thank you. Now the next one on the list is called Crowdsurf. So this is a very, very good thing. You can get a lot of money here as well if you just apply yourself. So all that you have to do is to sign up on this work market, then join Crowdsurf and start it. So are you looking to make a little extra cash on the side, or maybe you are a student who needs flexible work? Click on this We Want to Work With You button and then just get started with Crowdsurf. You will just sign up here. That's pretty much self-explanatory. I don't need to go through that. Let's not waste time on it. And then, guys, you will just start these things. All that you have to do is a PC, laptop, desktop, whatever, reliable internet connection, and basic typing skills, okay? Great listening skills, of course. You want to hear what is being said and just have this excellent proofreading skills. That's easy. You just have to correct if you made some mistakes, but basic typing skills is all that you need, guys. Just imagine, guys, just tapping on a keyboard whole day and you get a lot of money for yourself. If you want to refine your typing skills, there's a website for that, which is called Revcom. You can tap that in here and click on the first one, and this one is going to give you some exercises so you can just start typing and you can refine your typing skills. Okay, so there are various typing tests, and you can also get a certificate here, so you can choose that certificate and you can show it to people around. Okay, so you can see that it is pretty easy. This ads is killing me, but you can just go and you can just start typing here in order to refine your typing skills and get a lot more money in the process when you're using those. Okay, a lot more money you can make if you type fast. So you will get a certificate like this telling you how much of that words per minute speed you can type. You can see I can type 47, and that's almost enough for jobs like these, but I suggest that you go with 50 at least, so these guys can know that you type very, very fast and accurate as well. And you can see here, guys, GoTranscriptcom is another website where you can get some money. And just take a look at this, foreign subtitles, $8.5 per minute. That's really good. Just scroll down all the way down to the bottom, guys, and you will find this section for transcriptionist. Okay, just click on work and you will find these jobs which are available worldwide. Just take a look at this, guys, up to $0.60 per audio video minute. And these guys have gone a step further. Okay, they show us these statistics. So you can see that $150 is the average earnings per month, but that's for some lazy persons. I mean, 150, that's like easy work, nothing coming from your side. But just take a look at this, $1.2 thousand top monthly earnings. That's where a lot of these hard working persons get. Okay, so you can just want to be on this right hand side here, because if you work, you can get a lot of money here, guys. So the more time you invest, the more money you will get. And just take a look at this. If your language isn't here, you can just choose to work in it. Okay, whichever one of these you can just work in that and get money for your native language. Now there's also Speechpad.com, guys. This is really good as well. Also, what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and you want to find where it says careers over here, or you can immediately click on this learn more, because it says interested in becoming a transcriber. Click on learn more about our team, and now you can just apply here and you can see work when you want, guys. So you choose the time, you get paid on time, and this website will pay you twice a week. So this website is the only one which pays you twice a week, and of course from 0.25 cents to $2.5. That's a good amount. All you have to do is apply now and start working here as well. Now, the last website is called 3Play Media, where you can just come and you can do some captioning jobs here as well. If you click here on jobs, you will be redirected to join the 3Play Media team. And of course, guys, what I suggest is that you go and you just freelance transcriptionist jobs on all of these websites, because if you combine all of them, there is a good money-making opportunity. So go and get it, guys, and I'll catch you later.